Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Breaking news: businesswoman influencer Wandi Ndlovu was arrested this morning allegedly in connection with her uncle's murder. It is alleged that the influencer and her cousin brutally deleted their uncle, then tried to cover up the crime. Wandi Ndlovu is currently held at the Ramukonopi police station in Katleho.
You're still busy with OnlyFans, right?
OnlyFans.
Oh, yeah.
Because I have a boyfriend right now, and he's giving me the man that I want.
Oh, so there's no need, ne?
So you're not even doing hookups no more?
In Kawayenza, but now since in Angisawayenza.
Do you know how many niggas are gonna book you after this show?
Exactly, after this show.
That was a sterling performance.
Okay, as long as there's money,
And he doesn't
But
mind?
the man is on season 2.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
But your man doesn't mind you actually going for hookups?
He does mind me because I give you the man that you want. What now?
So you just go behind his back?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Let's keep this a secret. Okay.
Yeah. You won't see this stuff.
No, I won't see it.
Yeah.
Nigeria, they don't know podcast.
Yeah, they don't know. Bias.
Chill in Nigeria.
Yeah, bias.
Wandile, thank you so much. I don't know why I keep calling you Wendy, man. It's the weirdest thing.